For this process, the tools you will need are your hands and a 5-gallon bucket. All right, let's take a cruise and find some rocks. That looks promising. These look like perfect sauna rocks to me. And they seem pretty tough, so I'm gonna go with these. So I'm just grabbing various size rocks because I figure having an assortment of shapes and sizes is going to be nice. I'll put the larger rocks on the bottom closest to the stove, and then I'll layer them with smaller rocks. And as you already saw, you smash the rocks against each other to make sure that they're tough. And these rocks are tough, so in they go. I'm not a geologist. I'm not sure what these are. If I had to guess, I'd guess granite. And then the other thing worth noting is that you would think nice round stones would be more ideal for a sauna, but it's actually the opposite. Jagged rocks have flatter edges, and those flat edges just reflect heat better. So when you pour water on a rock that looks like this, it's going to give you more steam versus like a purely polished lake rock. It's not to say that those rocks can't work, but according to Sauna Times, these rocks work better. So that's what we're going with. This spot is very close and very easy to work with. I'm literally just footsteps away from the car. And so generally I think work smarter, not harder, but the rocks on that side are calling me. I want to go look at them. So let's walk over there and see what happens. Tripod, rocks. I've never been foraging for rocks before. This is fun. This quarry right here is an abandoned rock quarry. And it's I think they were digging and they hit a spring. And so growing up, I used to jump off those cliffs. It was like a nice neighborhood swimming hole. So this is Sergei's OG roots. That's a nice flat-ish spot. It's about as good as it's gonna get. These rocks look darker. Maybe this is what the doctor ordered. Okay, let's do the test. They appear to be more crumbly. Since I made the pilgrimage, I'm gonna grab a couple, but I think the other rocks were better. Let's try it again, maybe. I'm gonna say no. They're just chipping. So I think the rocks on the other side were better. And it was safer to harvest those anyway. Come on! The good thing is that I cleaned my shoes. The bad thing is I don't have another dry pair of shoes with me. Once the 5-gallon bucket is full of rocks, call that good. No sense in being greedy. We want to leave some rocks for nature or other sauna goers. So I'm going to stop right there. And the next step is to take these bad boys home and give them a nice thorough wash. We have our bucket of rocks and we need to wash these. So I'm thinking we're going to do soap bucket with soapy water. Today I'm going to be using Dr. Bronner's Rose. Then this is going to be a rinse bucket, just pure water, nothing else. And then for good measure, we're going to pressure wash them over there. That's probably overkill, but better safe than sorry. And once your rocks have been thoroughly scrubbed and washed and pressure washed, you can let them dry. And then you're ready to put them on your stove.